We're gonna do it now. Chicken, vegetables, noodles, and sauce.
2 incredible lash looks, 1 genius brush. Twist 1 for length and drop.
This time I have the heating thing, guys. Why are you giving me weird looks, Steven? Does this go in it?
Yes.
This goes in the heater?
Yes.
Okay. So you tear here.
This thing called autism. My friend's brother's son has it. My neighbor's son has autism.
There's no tear mark.
My son has autism.
This is why she's not in the army.
Autism is getting closer to home. Today, 1 in 100
Nobody saw that.
is diagnosed with autism. That's a 600%
And you separate.
increase in 1 year. Learn the science at autismspeaks.org.
It's very flammable, so we have it
No,
next
it's
to the
not.
light. Okay, it's not flammable.
Biomedical scientists
It looks-
work on the American Health Assistance
Smells
Foundation.
flammable.
I conduct research
Smells
to discover
flammable.
new
Okay.
effective
That's a new one on me.
Is that enough?
This is critical because more
I
than
don't know. I didn't see how much you put in there.
1,000 Alzheimer's every day. At our website, you can learn how to live with or
Which one was
care
it?
for someone with the
Well,
disease.
it will say it on it. Yes.
1-800-437-2423.
Oh, it's making noise.
Oh.
For a free brochure on
Oh!
Kayla, it's gonna get hot. Put
Wait,
it in
does it
there.
fit?
Yes.
Oh, it does fit. Oh, it's hot. It's hot, Steven.
What did I just say?
Where do I put it?
Wherever you want.
It's not going to burn the table?
No.
Do I put it on this cardboard?
You can put it wherever you
What if the
want.
water comes out?
Then it comes out.
Ow, it's
It's
so hot!